Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Bank of Hope mobile banking application on your device. If you are an iOS user, you can open App Store, or an Android user, you can open Play Store. Also, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After opening the App Store on your device, at the search bar type in Bank of Hope and click on search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this application. Click on that and click on Get. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. Click on Allow for the notification. And now you can enjoy the Bank of Hope mobile banking application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.